Today I'm going to teach you how to set up predecessors and successors in Smartsheet. This feature is incredibly useful for project management as it allows you to create dependencies between tasks, automatically adjusting timelines when one task affects another. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your existing files and workspaces are displayed. From your homepage, you'll need to select the existing file where you want to set up these task dependencies. Simply click on the file you want to work with to open it. This could be any project sheet where you're tracking tasks and timelines. Before we proceed with setting up dependencies, it's important to ensure your sheet is structured correctly. Your data should include columns for task, start date, due date, and predecessors. If you don't have these columns yet, you'll need to add them first as they're essential for the dependency feature to work properly. Now let's configure your date columns correctly. Click on the three dots next to one of your date columns, whether that's your start date or due date column. From the menu that appears, select Edit Column Properties. In the Properties panel, make sure the column type is set to date. This step is crucial because Smartsheet needs to recognize these as date columns to calculate dependencies accurately. Repeat this process for your other date column to ensure both are properly configured. Next, you'll want to switch to the appropriate view for working with dependencies. Look for the view options at the top of your sheet and click on Grid or Table, then select Gantt. The Gantt view is ideal for visualizing task dependencies and seeing how they connect over time. With the Gantt view open, look to the right side of your screen and click on the Settings icon. This will open the Gantt Settings panel. Here you need to check the box that says Dependencies Enabled. This is the key step that activates the entire predecessor and successor functionality in your sheet. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to confirm this change. Click Yes to proceed, then click OK to finalize the settings. Once you do this, you'll notice that a duration column is automatically added to your sheet. This column calculates the time span between your start and end dates for each task. Now comes the actual setup of your dependencies. Click on the cell in the predecessors column, typically starting with row 2, you'll see a pencil icon appear. So click on that pencil icon. In the field that opens, type the number 1. This tells Smartsheet that this task depends on task number 1 being completed first. Move to the next row down and click the pencil icon in the predecessors column again. This time type 2 to indicate this task depends on task 2. Continue this process, moving down each row and entering the appropriate predecessor number. Each number you enter creates a link to the task in that row number, establishing the dependency chain. Repeat this step-by-step process until you've finished setting up all the dependencies you need for your project. As you add these predecessors, you'll see the Gantt chart on the right side automatically adjust to reflect the task relationships you're creating. And there you have it, you've successfully set up predecessors and successors in Smartsheet, creating a dynamic project timeline that automatically adjusts when tasks change. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.